Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you an easy yam recipe which used to be a popular Nigerian street food in the late 90s, in the early 2000s, and as well as in the mid 2000s. It used to be so popular that street food vendors used to sell it everywhere, but somehow they stopped selling it. I don't know why, but today I'm about to share with you how to make this fried yam recipe called yam burger. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this amazing Nigerian food video which I have packaged just for you. To start with, or to begin with, I'll start by slicing the quantity of the yam that I'll be using for this recipe. And for this, I'll be using just 2 slices of yam. After slicing, the second thing I would do is to peel off the skin from the yam. While I peel off the skin, I like to say this: if you're new on this channel, welcome, and I hope you like what you see. I have so many Nigerian food videos that you would love and enjoy, especially if you are interested in Nigerian foods and how to prepare them. So don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. After peeling off the skin of the yam, it's time to clean. I'll clean the yam in a bowl of clean water, and after I clean the yam, I'll do the third thing, which is very important. The third step for this recipe is to cut the yam into not too thick and not too thin slices. So to you, my constant viewers, I like to say welcome back once again. Thank you for visiting my food blog once again, and as always, I hope you like this video. I hope you leave your comment on what you think about this recipe. I hope you subscribe to this channel. And by the way, if you've ever tasted yam burger before, leave a comment and tell me what it tasted like back then. Now that I'm done with slicing the yams, I'll proceed to season the yams using this very simple method. I have some water in a separate bowl, and now I'll pour some salt into the water. I'll mix the salt and the water very well until the salt dissolves, and then I would put in the sliced yam. I'll put the sliced yam into the salty water. This is just to add a little bit of taste to the yam before I proceed with coating the yam. Yes, this yam is coated, and to coat the yam, I have some beans flour in a bowl. I'll proceed to add some water into the beans flour. I'll add water gradually until I get the consistency that I want. I'll show you that consistency much later when I'm done with mixing the beans flour very well. So there's one thing about this yam recipe: once you make it, you would always want to make it every time because it is tasty, it is nice, and it is very delicious to make. And if you're thinking that because yams are coated with beans flour, the yam may not be properly cooked, don't say that. I'll show you exactly what I am talking about, and the result is perfect, lovely and nice. So like I said earlier, I said I would show you the consistency that the beans flour must achieve or have before you can proceed to coat the yam with the beans flour. This is the consistency here, but I'm not done, so I'll cover the beans paste and set it aside. Now it's time to start cooking. Into my frying pan, I'll add some cooking oil, and I'll allow the oil to get hot. So while I'm waiting for the cooking oil to be hot enough for frying, this is the beans paste I set aside earlier. I have this small bowl next to me, and the thing I would do is very simple. When cooking with beans paste, I need to share this cooking tip with you. When cooking with beans paste, always separate the quantity you want to cook immediately into another bowl, and then you can add the salt, the pepper, the seasoning cube to that small quantity of beans paste in the other bowl. Now I just added some salt in the small bowl, and then I'll mix very well. So let me tell you the reason why I let the beans paste rest. It was so that it could absorb all the water to give me a silky texture like you see here in the video. After mixing the salt very well with the beans paste, it's time to go back to the yam. I'll drain off the salty water by pouring the yam into a basket just to remove the salty water, and the yam is ready to be coated. To coat the yam is very simple. I know this recipe looks like, can I try this? Trust me, you can try it and you will like it when you try it. So here I have the beans paste, and to coat the yam, I'll simply put the sliced yam into the beans paste. After putting enough quantity that I can fry at a time, I'll mix everything very well. I'll mix the yam with the beans paste very well. Remember, my cooking oil is on the cooker getting hot. So this is what the cooking oil looks like, and immediately I mix the yam with the beans paste. I'll drop the yam in the hot cooking oil. I need to tell you this, so you should also take note of this. After putting the yam into the hot cooking oil, you turn the heat down to medium heat. Initially, the heat was high heat so that the oil could heat up properly. But as soon as the oil is very hot and you're ready to put the yam into the hot oil, after you put the yam into the hot oil, you turn the heat down to medium. This is so that the oil will properly cook the beans paste which we coated the yam with at the top, and then so that the inside of the yam would also be properly cooked. This would help you get a delicious crunchy exterior for this yam burger and a soft and chewy interior for our delicious street food. I hope you've liked this video, and if you're yet to like this video, come close, tell me why. Why have you not liked this video yet? To clarify things, let me clarify. After you like the video, after you leave your comment, and after you subscribe to this channel, I like to say this. You have to be very detailed about this. And what I mean is this: you have to click on that notification bell so that every time I post new videos, you will be notified, so you can be sure to never ever miss any of my amazing Nigerian food videos. Take a look at what my yam burger looks like. It's lovely, it's nice, it is a lovely golden shade, and it's about to be eaten. I just cooked it out of the hot oil and I put it in a basket just so that I can drain off the excess oil. And the process continues. Just as I did previously, I put the yam in the beans paste, mix very well, and then put the coated yam into the hot oil. It is so simple, it is so nice, and I need to say that this is one of the many Nigerian yam recipes that you should try. If you've not tried yam fufu, many people call it yam fufu, but in actual fact, it is pounded yam. If you've not tried pounded yam and egusi soup, you need to try that yam recipe. Also, you need to try yam porridge. You need to try boiled yam and fried egg. You need to try fried yam. There are so many yam recipes that you should try. In fact, you need to try a luboishu, which is used to make amala. So should I say you need to try amala? Yes, I think that's the best thing to say. You also need to try amala. Eat amala with your favorite Nigerian soup. If you are an ardent watcher or an ardent viewer of Nigerian recipes, you know that there are so many Nigerian soups that you can eat yam with, and I have quite a few of those recipes on this channel. This is the second batch of yam burger which I just fried, and I have to tell you, once you put the coated yam in the hot oil, all you need to do is fry for about 3 minutes on medium heat and your yam would be properly fried. But if you're not sure if it's properly fried, you can turn the yam and fry the other side as well. But when you fry the other side, just fry for about 2 minutes or 1 minute. This right here is what my yam burger looks like. It is delicious, it is nice. Take a look at what it looks like. The inside is so lovely. Bye.